In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger customer care chat support. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in properly. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen. This is where you'll find the support option mentioned in this tutorial, and it's important to be in the correct place before moving forward. At the top, you should see an option called Ask AI. Hostinger provides this tool so users can quickly get help without having to search through multiple pages. The AI assistant is called Cody, and it is designed to help answer questions, guide you through common issues, and point you in the right direction when you need support. If your concern is straightforward, this can often be the fastest way to begin. When you see Cody, go ahead and use it to assist you with your questions. You can simply raise your concern directly in the chat area. Try to describe your issue clearly so the system can understand what kind of help you need. For example, it helps to mention the problem in simple terms and include only the relevant details. The clearer your message is, the easier it will be for the support tool to respond with useful guidance. As you type, stay focused on the specific issue you want resolved. This can save time and help you get a more accurate answer. If you're contacting support about a billing issue, a website problem, or account-related help, explain that briefly and clearly in the message box. Avoid sharing any sensitive personal information in the chat unless absolutely necessary and only within the secure support area of your account. Cody can assist with many questions right away, which makes it a convenient first step when trying to contact Hostinger customer care support. Even if you're ultimately looking for direct support, starting here helps organize your request and can move you closer to the right solution. So to contact Hostinger customer care chat support, simply log into your Hostinger account. Look at the top of the page for Ask AI, open Cody, and enter your concern in the chat. That's the easiest way to begin getting help through Hostinger's support system. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.